The hand of the presenter points to crumpled paper, a paper towel roll, rough cookie paper, a plastic bottle. She touches a plastic bag, dry rose petals, orange peel. She points in turn to broken plastic blocks in red, yellow, green. She picks up the glue in a bottle and puts it on a side. In her hands, she holds geometric figures cut out of cardboard: triangle, circle, rectangle, square. On the floor near the wall stand 4 trash containers. The presenter uses a brush to spread glue on a square piece of cardboard. She adheres rough cookie paper. She spreads glue on a paper towel roll. She glues it to the rough paper. She takes the crumpled paper in her hand. She spreads the glue on the rough paper. She glues the crumpled paper. She spreads glue on a rectangular piece of cardboard. She takes a plastic bottle in her hands. She glues it to the rectangular cardboard. She spreads glue on the cardboard below the bottle. She adheres the plastic bag by pressing it against the carton with her hands. She spreads glue on the cardboard in the shape of a circle. She takes a handful of dry rose petals in her hands. She puts them on the cardboard with glue. She spreads the glue on the cardboard below the rose petals. She glues the orange peel. She spreads glue on cardboard in the shape of a triangle. With her right hand, she glues a red block to the cardboard in the upper corner. She spreads glue on the cardboard below the block. She glues the green block to the cardboard in the lower left corner. She spreads glue on the cardboard in the lower right corner. She glues the yellow block to the cardboard box. 4 different cardboard with various items glued to them are leaning against each trash container. Yellow bin, in front of it a square cardboard with glued rough paper, paper towel roll and crumpled paper. A blue container, in front of it a taped rectangular cardboard box with a plastic bag and a bottle. Black container, in front of it taped round cardboard box with rose petals and orange peel. She opens the lid of the container for a moment. Blue small container, in front of it taped triangular cardboard box with blocks.